Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are gonna be creating a GIF, which is a graphic interface format, alright, that we're gonna be posting on a YouTube. Alright, so I saw something interesting on some news network. For example, let's search here for Al Jazeera. And let's go to the YouTube page, and then let's go to their posts. Alright, so let me click on posts, and you'll see here that those are static posts. I want a post that is actually has some motion so that I can show you what I'm trying to recreate for today. So see something like this one, you can see this one is actually moving. Alright, so they have their logo here and there's this text that is moving. So we're gonna try to recreate something like this and then post it on our YouTube page, see whether it uploads, so that I can show you that you can actually be unique. Alright, you don't have to post a static post on your YouTube channel. You can post something like this that has motion, so that you're unique. Alright, so I'm gonna go over to Canva. Remember, I told you guys you can use any software you want to actually make what you want. Alright, there are so many things, softwares you can use, but for me, I am more conversant with Canva. So let's click on Instagram post and create blank. We are doing this because most of the posts that are uploaded on YouTube are usually square in size, but even if it is beyond square, you can still click on it and be able to see the whole poster. Alright, but the preference is usually given to a poster that is square in size. Alright, in other words, the length and the width are the same size. So what I'm gonna do is that we can actually name it and name it YouTube GIF. Alright, so let me add some text. So click on text here and click on add heading, and we're gonna write here developing story. Position it to the middle, and we're gonna put some motion to it. Let's click on animate, and when you click on animate, let's put some motion in it. In this case, I think something like that. All right, something like that. Let's reduce the intensity, or we can increase it. All right, the direction, I think it's okay. And then we're gonna make this we can make it black and then change the text to white for contrast. All right, so I think that's okay. Then you can add your logo. In this case, I'm going to search for my logo. Let me see whether it's here. It's here, so let me use that. Right, drag it there, reduce the size, put it there at the corner like that, something like that. All right, something like that. Remember, I am using black and white because those are my brand colors. If you want to use red or something else, you can still use it. All right, so if I click on the page, you can see here the timing. This is actually 5 seconds, and I think I'm okay just putting it at 5 seconds. Okay, so if I actually come here and click on play, you see how it looks like. So this is how it's looking like, developing story. So you can see there's motion on the text. If you want to add a few things, like let's do what Al Jazeera has done. So I'm gonna click on duplicate on the page. So on the next page, I've seen that the logo goes somewhere here. And we can also animate this logo and make it maybe something like that. All right, let it come from the, let's reduce the speed like that, and I think the motion is okay. All right, and then the next page, now I just want the logo to be at the center, and in this case we're gonna animate it to breathe. All right, so that is like that. So on the scale can be something like that. I think that's okay. We can increase the size a bit and position it to the center and the middle. All right, so you can see now we have 3 pages, but in this case, because of something I call it's not supposed to be that long. It's not supposed to be that long. I think what we can do to play on the safe side, let's download it first as a GIF. So click on downloads and then come here to the file type and go to GIF. All right, click on GIF. In this case, I'm gonna click on download. Okay, so once I click on download, it will be able to download, and you can see that it's actually downloading. So it's downloading the GIF, but before we actually do that, let me actually search what GIF really means, because at the beginning of the video I said GIF means graphic interface format. So let's search GIF meaning so that I'm not lying to you guys. All right, so GIF meaning, it actually means graphic interchange format. So GIF means graphic interchange format. All right, so I was actually not far from it. I was actually saying graphic interface format, but it really means graphic interchange format. So it's good to verify. All right, so let's go back to this. It's still downloading the GIF, as you can see. So you can see this is actually giving you a preview of how it looks. The first page is this text moving like this, and then the second page we have the logo coming from the bottom, and then the last page we have only the logo. So this is what we're gonna upload on our post tab in YouTube, and we're going to test whether it will actually having motion like this. All right, in case maybe it will say no, that's okay. What we're gonna do, we're gonna readjust the seconds and upload again. So let's go back to YouTube. This is YouTube, and I'm gonna click on my channel. Good, so this is my channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe, guys. Like, share and subscribe so that we can reach more people. So I'm gonna come to my post tab, and we're gonna write here something little. I'm gonna write here developing story. In this case, because our content is usually centered on matter social media, I think the recent story I've seen is that CapCut is now requiring users to upgrade to the pro version in order to use the caption, in order to use generated captions. All right, so this is actually something that I've seen a lot of users talking about. CapCut is now requiring users to upgrade the pro version in order to use generated captions. This is actually something that is happening right now, because I actually tried to use CapCut to generate captions, and I was told this is now among the pro features, you need to pay for it, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to come here and click on add image. So let's copy this so that we don't lose it. Control A is highlight everything, Control C is copy. All right, so click on image, and then I'm going to come here and click on this part so that I'm able to select from my computer. And as you can see, it is telling me drag up to 5 images or GIFs. All right, so YouTube actually supports uploading GIFs, and I've just shown you how to create it on Canva, in Canva. So I'm going to go to my downloads, and you can see here that the GIF is this one. I'm going to click on it and click on open, and it will be able to upload the GIF. So you can see actually how it is looking. Developing story, then the poster comes from the bottom, and then the last page we have the poster only. All right, so we're going to click on post. Okay, we're going to click on post. Now it is actually posting the GIF, and we say the GIF means the graphic interchange format, and yeah, we have it. All right, so you can see it has actually posted the GIF. You can see this is how it's looking, and this is awesome. We have just done this in very few minutes, creating a GIF using Canva. Remember, I told you you can use whatever software you use, whether it is Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Spark. There's so many softwares you can use, but use the software that you're conversant with as long as you get the job done. All right, so there you have it, guys. That is today's video, how to create a GIF that you can post on your YouTube post tab. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe so that we can reach more people. Also, let me get to know in the comment section what you would like for us to post. All right, we are here to learn, we are here to share. That's it for today. See you in the next video.